One day the patient felt the flu and cough with headaches. He and his father went to the hospital.
Okay. Hello, I'm Afif, the doctor on duty today. What seems to be the problem?
Hello, doctor. This is my son. My son has been sick for 3 days lately.
Oh, let me see. Are you feeling it today?
I have a splitting headache and a nasal congestion. I lost my appetite too.
Oh, let me take your temperature. You have a high fever. It seems that you have the flu.
Oh, that's terrible.
Let me examine you. Over your mouth.
Uh,
Alright. Cough, please. Oh, you have the flu and cold. You need to stay in bed for 3 days, and I will write out a prescription for you.
does it come in liquid form? I can swallow pills or tablets.
Sure. Can you tell me your identity?
My name is Ferry, 10 years old, weight
Okay.
32 kilograms. The address is at Melati Road, number 9, Jogja.
Okay, there you go, and take this to the drugstore.
Thank you,
Thank you,
doctor.
doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Okay.
After that, he and his father went to a drugstore to buy medicine on a prescription.
Hi, my name is Sabrina, one of the pharmacy team member. Can I help you?
I have a prescription. Can you fill it?
Sure, my receipt, please.
Of course. Here you are.
Is the prescription correct for a child with the name Ferry? He is 10 years old.
Yes, that's right.
Is it true he has a cough and flu with fever?
Right. He has a high fever and a headache.
Okay. Has your son previously taken drug with the same indication?
For 3 days, my son did not want to take any medicine.
Well, does your son have any allergies for drug?
Um, my son is allergic to aspirin and penicillin.
Very well. Please wait a moment. I will prepare it for you, and later the pharmacist will say the name of the prescription by the cashier. Thank you. I hope your son get well soon as possible.
Thank you for doing well.
You're welcome.
After waiting, the pharmacist at the cashier called and asked him directly to the cashier for payment and gave the medicine.
Prescription Madam Ferry attention all, please go to the cashier now.
Yes, I'm patient father.
Well, sir, there are two types of medicine same as prescription. This OBH combi anak for cough and flu, and paracetamol for fever and headache. Both of which are taken 3 times a day, 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters. And 1 hour after meal for paracetamol if your son needs. If there is no fever and pain can be stopped.
Okay. I see.
I have explained how to use it in medicine bag so that it is easy for you to remember. For the side effect is drowsing, so avoid strenuous activities.
Yes, I understand.
Here you go. Do you need anything else?
No, that's be all.
Let me check. The total is 167,000, sir.
Can I pay by credit card?
I'm sorry, we'll take payment by cash only.
Okay, it's okay. Here's the money.
Thank you. Here's receipt. If you have any question, please call the number below the receipt. Get well soon for your son, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for your attention. I hope you like it.